Professional filling equipment manufacturer the GLZON Group has been manufacturing filling and capping machines dedicated to the packaging of complex liquid products for over 22 years. What makes the identity of GLZON is more than 1,500 machines and complete lines installed in the world. Filling machines delivered in more than 130 countries on each continent. Site visits and support by qualified technicians. With over 22 years of experience in providing filling and packaging/weighing automation system, we are fully committed to deliver quality products with excellent service standards. We ensure customers' needs and requirements are understood and delivered with full satisfaction through continual improvement on new technology upgrade.